Well, so that everybody knows that when we put the base plate on, we weren't finished right up or finished up tightly. We had a couple little loose ends to do. We had to put these safety cables on, back in around the frame, back up to each other to hang on both sides. And since we had the front end off, I drilled the hole so that we can put the breakaway switch in place. And the safety cables are so that if I screwed something up here and things break loose, we don't lose the car. It's all done, front end's back on. Okay, so we have this completely done now. The wiring's all done. I hooked the wiring up to the back of the truck to verify that the lights work all the way in the back of the car. So it's working. I'm happy. I'm tired. Now we just got to, all I have to do now is just to bolt or get the taillights put back into place. And it's all done. We have a towed.
Alright guys, so now we are here at the important stuff, the money. Of course I'm doing this part. So we like to save money, that's why we did all of this ourselves. And we bought a majority of the parts that we could buy, we bought them used. So we're going to go over what we paid and how much money we saved, and you can decide whether you want to go through the excruciating pain of installing this stuff yourself. So we picked up a Patriot 2 braking system, a Blue Ox tow bar that had a rock shield on it, a breakaway switch, and safety cables. And we were able to buy that for $1,100 from a gentleman that was getting out of the RV life. We priced all that out new, and it came out to about $2,800. So right there alone we saved about $1,700 just buying those parts. In order to install it, we had to buy the base plate for our CRV, and then we ended up buying a tow receiver because we want to be able to put a bike rack on the back of our car, and then the wiring And then on Amazon we bought roof crossbars so that we could put on kayak racks. So that would have been the same price if you bought it anywhere because that's retail. That was $850 for all 4 of those things. We figured labor on the install for the base plate at a minimal of 4 hours at $110 for labor for $440. So between the retail for the braking system, the tow bar, the rock shield, and the safety cables at $2,800. The stuff we bought from eTrailer for $850, and then the labor, it came to around $4,100. And that's kind of a conservative estimate because we've seen other people in the community state that they've paid a minimum of $5,000. Our total cost, $1,100 for the used stuff, $850 for the other miscellaneous we bought from eTrailer and Amazon for $1,950. So between what our retail was and what regular retail was and what we spent, we saved about $2,162. Was it worth it? Yeah, it wasn't real difficult. We had a couple minor issues, nothing major. I mean, there's nothing major involved in doing it. Would we do it again? I think so. It wasn't labor intensive. We had the tools to do what we needed to do. There was a couple little things that caught us up just because we're working on a northeastern car that's been in the salt for 5 years, so some of the parts didn't come off as quickly as we wanted to, but other than that, there was nothing complicated about doing this. If you're slightly mechanically inclined, I think you can do it yourself and save yourself a bunch of money. So hope this helped you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what else you want to see about the RV life. We'll talk to you later. Bye.